These areas have been bare as long as I can remember, so possibly the last 50 years there's been the odd clay pan spread around the place, and we've found by just surveying on contour banks we've been able to slow the water right down and get it to soak in, and this is sort of the result. This summer has been quite well above average. We've had a bit over 300 millimetres here for the summer. You can gradually see the country improving and the grass coming up as the various storms came through and ponded in this area, and then gets held back and gradually drains away. So we haven't had any trouble with waterlogging or anything, but the native grasses have really come back. We haven't added any seed at all to this. This is just native grasses. The seed's just been here naturally. Most of them are annuals, but there are a few perennial grasses coming up with it as well. And hopefully over time we'll get more and more perennials, get some Mitchell grass back into the area, because we're surrounded by Mitchell grass around this clay pan, so the seed should blow in here as long as we get seasons to allow the Mitchell grass to seed. And that's our goal, is to lightly stock it and hopefully get some Mitchell grass here to regenerate it back to its natural state. There's a number of clay pans dotted through the property, that possibly as much as 3,000 acres, and over time we hope to try and regenerate all of those using this method. It appears to be working quite well so far. So we're going to continue doing these works as time allows and money, but it's amazing the response from the way the country has responded, and how little work you need to do to return it back to maybe what it was before the topsoil all blew away. Yeah, we'll keep it going for as long as we possibly can. The expense isn't that great. There's a bit of time involved, but using our own machinery, there's a bit of wear and tear and diesel, of course, but we were probably a bit hesitant to do it 20 years ago when the country was $20 an acre, but now as land values rise, it might only cost us $20 an acre now to do what we've done, and that it's easy to justify that cost now when you see the result.